Major advantages of LiDAR from a UAV perspective is the fact that it's able to penetrate vegetation, and we're able to go and fly to places that it's almost impossible to reach.
The real magic behind LiDAR is its ability to model the ground through and below vegetation. It's quite similar in a way to photogrammetry, however photogrammetry is very much limited by the vegetation that's on the ground.
Typically, through light vegetation, we're achieving 400 points per square metre, which compared with conventional LiDAR that's taken from a helicopter or light aircraft would be 3, 4, 5. LiDAR is used on a massive array of instructions that we've gained, from monitoring the habitat of beavers in the Highlands to assisting planners in looking at heavily vegetated areas to even looking for clandestine burials and forensic cases.
The benefit of the UAV LiDAR is cost. Much cheaper, much easier, quicker to deploy to enable companies to capture the data they require.
LiDAR's been accepted by the surveying community for decades now, using conventional LiDAR flown from helicopters and planes. But like with all UAV work, the lower and slower you can go, the more detail that a client can see. So in terms of accuracy, we quote 90mm accuracy, but we're often achieving sub 45mm accuracy on a lot of our instructions. It's able to fly over and map accurately those areas that are either almost impossible to reach and to walk through or are dangerous, such as landslips. It just adds that third dimension to making a model that's accurate for clients.